Hello everyone! Maglalaro ulit tayo! Of course! And ito namang nilalaro natin ay Billy Story. Story siya. Dito tayo sa maraming taong umaalis. Let's go. Wow! Ano kayang story ni Billy, no? Ayan na guys. At ako excited. Ewan ko lang kung ano to, makakatakot. Kasi alam, ano ako, natakutin. Siyempre. Okay, dito na tayo. Starting in. Hala, ba't dalawa? Hala, B? Wait lang, magkamukha ba sila? Hello? Magkapalit silang outfit, pero iba yung mukha. Ayun. We're finally here. Google tumawid. Sasakyan. Yippee! Uy! So, this is Billy's Hotel, huh? Ayun na nga eh. Billy's Hotel. Yeah, it's supposed the most trending thing right now. Be careful crossing the street, guys. Let's go. Sorry ko na natatakot ako mga ante. It's getting pretty late. We should head to our rooms and get some sleep. Ay, la, idiwaw. Go to sleep. May mga ibang kasama. Ayaw kita katabi. Baka ano pa ako. Ibugbog. Lasan tayo? Hoy! Where are we? Saan tayo? Natulog lang tayo ah. Tsaka naging ganito. Ay, alam ko to. Baka panaginip lang to. Diba? Kung nakita niya yung isang vlog ko, yung ano lang yun, next door, it's all a dream. Oo, alam ko. Ay, sorry, di ko nabasa. I don't like it here. It's dark and spooky. Sorry kung hindi ko nabasa. Wala na yan. Uy, nanay! Tatakot ako. Wala, sige, punta kayo mga lalaki. Guys, tatakbo tayo ha. Are you Run! Uy, takbo! 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 Run for your life! Hindi naman ako tumatakbo, uy. Lumalakad lang kami. Idahan, may mga bear trap. Ano? Wala, yung pinakalikod. Kawawa sila. Wala na isa namin kaibigan. Dahan lang kayo sa bear trap. Nakikita niyo yan, no? Dahan lang, dahan-dahan. Huwag kayong diretso lang. Uy, ang layo. Bakit kayo, huwag tayo dyan. Bakit kasi kayo naglapit? Ay, mag-aabi. Okay, akala ko mag-aabi pa eh. Okay, complete pa rin tayo. Okay, complete. Ay, meron pa? Meron pang tao? Ay, wala na. Okay. What just happened? That person looks so familiar. Wait, it looks like the dead Billy from the poster. We need to get out of here. We have to keep moving forward. Careful, the water looks toxic. Go to the... Oy! Wala akong Robux, sorry. Sorry. Uy, sorry, wala talaga akong Robux. Sorry, ba't hindi kasi... Heto na naman naririnig. Sorry, wala akong Robux. Sorry talaga, I'm so sorry. So sorry talaga. Labi, kami na lang dalawa. Oh my gosh. No! Okay, kaya natin to. Ang gagawin? Laban para sa bayan. You have got to be kidding me. Bawal ganun. Amaze? We can't wait around for Billy to get us. Keep going. Find the maze exit. Okay. Sana lang naka-live ako para sabihin nyo na lang. Kaso kulang yung subscriber ko. Okay guys, sorry kung madilim. Ewan ko lang kung tama to yung dinadaanan ko ha. Aray ko. Sakit ha. Sobrang sakit. Binagstuck ko. Ay, binagstuck. Mali ba yun? Sorry kung maingay yung background ko kasi maulan dito sa Pasay. It's been raining. It's been raining in Pasay. Nakakumot nga ako habang naglalaro. Guys, natatakot ako kasi ako lang mag-isa. Wala kasi akong Robux. Sayang, hindi talaga ako. Kasi wala akong pera. Alam nyo yun? Okay. Kapag di natin ito natapos, kayo tayo dyan, may ahas. Iano tayo. Tayo. Ay, yes! Guys! I think I found the exit. Follow my voice and come here. Multo ba yung kinakausap ko? Pag-pray nyo ako, guys. Way to heaven. Huy! Joke. Joke lang ah. Oh. Okay. Ay, dito yung CR. Was that just a dream? You guys dream of the same thing, right? Multo yung kita kausap ko, be. No way! Was that just a dream? Everything felt so real. Let's go ask the reception if he has any clue on what happened. Go downstairs and talk to Billy. Okay, let's go. Ay, masasakit na naman pa ako, be. 5th floor pa man. Sana may pagkain para ma-heal naman yung ano ko, health. Okay, 2nd floor. And then 1st floor, yay! Okay, let's talk to Billy. Hi guys! Are you enjoying your stay here? No! Something really weird just happened. We all had the same dream. We all ran away to escape. Then we all woke up at the same time. And you saw in bed. I'm probably nothing and you don't have to worry about anything. Because no matter what, I promise that you are all safe. That was strange. I don't feel safe in this hotel. Oh, ikaw, wala mga jump scare. Labi, natatakot ako. Pero sige lang, para lang sa inyo to. Heto na naman. Ito na naman. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Not again. Where are we now? We're leaving the hotel as soon we get out of whatever this place is. Wake up! You're dreaming! Something is missing here. It also might have something to do with the door over there. Revive the places. Oh my gosh, akala ko diretso lang. Ito. I found a gem. Ano ba? Hindi ko alam. Gugulo na yung ano ko. Utakak. Lumipat si ante. Uy, hindi ko naman tinatch ah. OA naman tong laro na to. Uy, ako yata yung pinaka-OA. I found a gem piece. Kala ko babalik na ako eh. Wala. Uy, lumilindol. Escape. Bakit ba? I think may monster. It's acid. Acid. Just be careful with the acid. Just be careful with the acid. Naglalaro ako ng Abby na escape the acid. Open the door. Hoy! Ano to? Ano to sa mukha ko? Ano yun? Ano yun? Matagal pa ba? Parang gusto mo. Uy, matagal pa ba? Malapit na yung acid, oh. Uy, tulong. Himay. Ninay. Tikay. Iwan ko basta. Ay. What? No exit. There's 2 more doors? Should be an easy choice, right? Let's open the exit door so we can finally return. Yan. Sorry guys, malayo-layo yung cellphone ko kasi natatakot ako. Let's open the other one instead. Yun, tama, diba? Not exit door. Kailangan natin mapindot. May gunting. We are back. Late ka na, be. Late ka na. I think it's time to leave this cursed place. Agreed. Leave the hotel. Where do you think you're going? I don't know. You guys weren't planning on leaving, were you? You shouldn't come with us, Billy. It's not safe here. No. This is my home. It's about to be yours too. Kari. Mushing. Mushing. Ewan ko basta ano ko sinasabi. Ayaw kong maniwala. Misteryoso. Di ba? Bini, pipay. Misteryoso. Hello, the misteryoso. Di pa rin babasa yun. Iba na pinapakita. Yung tawilas na salita. Pero kung magduda ba? Ika'y dumaan. He's gone. Walang pakialam dun. There's a force shield blocking on the stairs. Kunting sabi. We need to find way out of here. Kunting. Ay, pick pa yung kunting. Look around and see if you can find anything useful. I found a scissors. Kanina ko pa yan. Ay, may nakita ko dito. Ayan o. I found a crowbar. I have an idea. We could escape through the elevator. Cut the tape with the scissors. Elevator with the crowbar? Huh? fight the foe. We can only go up. Go up to the elevator down. Bakit ba may timer? Kainis. Bakit ba kasi may timer? Kainis. Hoy. Okay. Okay, dito na tayo. Ay, hindi ba? Mahaba-haba tong biyahe. Huy! Biyahe. Okay, dito na tayo. Now what? Go to the rooftop. Nanay ka, Shimay. Takot ako. Hi, Billy. Hello, player. Anak it. Have been absorbing you for a while now. Mama, tulong. What do you want from us? Ano gusto mo sa akin? Crush mo ako. Huy! What I want? Ha? Hotdog. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 point. Point ba? Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Beep 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 beep. Beep beep. I'm waiting. Actually, I really don't want anything from you. Ano? Then why don't you just leave us alone? Background ako. Pero okay lang yan sa inyo kung okay lang. You know what? You know what? Ano? Question mark. I take it back. I do want something from you. I want all your souls. Wag na. Pangarap pa nga ako. Hindi ko pa natutupad. You probably won't give it up so easily. Okay guys, ito na guys. Tatalon tayo ha. Oh well. I'm just gonna take it from you. Sige, habulin mo ako lang. Pakailang kahit mababa na yung health ko. All you're doing is flying the invisibility. Ano na? Inevitable. Uy! 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 Wag! Wag sa puso. Ping. 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 Ping, 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 ping. I can't attack you, but you can't attack me. Shimay. It's pointless to keep resisting. Nanay! Hala! Sorry guys. Hindi ko alam. Akala ko umaano yung platform. Lumiliit.